Hey guys, and this is Furry Pancakes here, and we'll be making a new tutorial game on Scratch. So let's get started. So if you haven't seen my latest video for today, go and check that out, and then you'll know what I'm doing. But I'll tell you quickly what I'm going to do in this Scratch tutorial. So, if you haven't seen my Scratch tutorial, Zombie Runner game, go and check that out, because I'll be making a part 3 on it, where there's an actual game with levels in a shop. So, yeah, let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to create, instead of I'm going to go backdrops. Then, I'm going to paint it a light greyish colour. Okay, yeah. Now go to events, drag out when flagged clicked, and yeah, here it is. Switch backdrop to backdrop 1. So when you click the flag, it would always go to this. Let's go back to backdrops. Because it hasn't painted for some reason. Since it's not painting, I'll just do square. Okay. This is looking good. Okay, for some reason my paint bucket isn't working. So I gotta do a little extra time. Okay, a couple more seconds into that. And so that's it. Well, not it for today's video, that's just it here. So let's go ahead and make the first sprite. Convert to vector. Now, I'm just going to be making a box. Give number 1 inside. Move it a little, and then we see for paint bucket. Okay, now it works. Now that's it, just for this sprite. Go to events, drag out when flagged clicked, show, and then let's make it go to a position. So I'm going to put it up in this corner. Go to this position. So obviously when we click it, it will go to this position. And then this is going to have to be hide, by the way. So when this script clicked, hide for now. Now, we could just work on all one backdrop and have it so it switches to another custom and it broadcasts a message. I'd much prefer to do that, but I wanna do the scripts one. So I'm going to go customs, do this, duplicate it, Then I want to get about the same color of grey as the other one. I think it has to be a little lighter, maybe. No. Yeah, that's perfect. Now, there we go. Oh, and by the way, I forgot, because I didn't really know which one to do. So just put script, just duplicate script 2 and put it where, so if we test it out, as you can see, and then boom, and yeah, good. And also go to events, and broadcast, message, go new message, and it's going to be level 1, start, and click OK. So when it does that, obviously there's going to be a new sprite and it should show. So let's quickly go and make this sprite, because I don't want to waste time. Now I have a little bit more time until the app that I'm using will be like, okay, that's it. Because I can only do it for 15 minutes. Because I gotta get the full version. And the full version is surprisingly cheap. So that's good. Just gotta put some money in. And boom. Now, instead of my old one, I like this one better. I mean, like my screen recorder, I like that better. But, you go events, drag down, when flag clicked, and also when I receive level 1 start. So go to books, drop down a show, and a hide. Now we're going to have this sprite go to a certain position. Okay, it's a little bit laggy. Go to motion. I'm going to have it go to this position. So you can have it go any position you want. I'm just going to have it go around about in half of the screen. Yep. Okay. Click level 1, and as you can see it starts like that, and you don't have to use the backdrop. Now let's start working on the actual shooter. So just duplicate this, but you want to change that and change its customs. So put white here. And I'm going to just take and delete these arms. And I'm going to turn it the other way around. And also add a gun. Now I don't think, hopefully I'll be able to get the bullet down and the coding down in both of them, because it's already been 9 minutes. I have a few more minutes. So go sprites, and I'm gonna, because we don't want too close to the edge, because that actually makes it harder, by the way. And so if you just have it there, point in direction 90 and go to this position. And I also forgot to do this. Point in direction 90. And go to control. Drop down a forever. And point towards sprite 2. Okay, it's actually... So, oh. This would be negative to the left. My bad. Wait a minute. Let's do 90 again. I think I know why. I have 4 more minutes left. I forgot to do the controls in here. So let's go down and drop down the controls. So it's pretty simple. You want 2 if lens and 2 key spaces. Now I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this one down into here. This would be right, and this would be left, and this would be up. Now, go motion. This would be turn, but the opposite way, and move. So move 4, these can be 3, and you can have the speed as fast as you want. So as you can see, I can move, but he is not following my direction. Right, he is. I'm pretty sure it's the direction he's facing. So I'm gonna go and fix that. Okay, there I go. There we go. So now if we do it, yeah, it was just because it was facing the other way. Now one thing I don't like is it's going by his gun, but I don't think he can actually change that. So yeah. Okay, so let's make a new sprite, which is going to be the bullet. Now, the bullet has to be smaller than the gun. But I don't really care. I just want it big so you can see it. Okay, there we go. And you gotta make sure that's centered. So in here, you want hide and hide for both. Actually, chuck that away. Over in here, I mean in Sprite 3, which is the shooter, go events, do forever. I'm gonna put a rate a second block, but change it to 0.3 seconds, and when my bad, and create a clone of Sprite 4. And this changes to 0.6. And this is going to be the end of the video for, this is going to be the end of, this video. I'm going to make another video after this, and that will be it for today's video. So I'll see y'all in the next video. See ya.